Hey guys, it's me Mara. So for this week's video, I'm going to be filming a what's in my Kikay kit or what's in my makeup kit. And ito yung lagi kong dinadala kahit saan talaga. Ito na yung dinadala ko kasi ayoko na yung palipat-lipat ng mga makeup bags. And this is my makeup bag. And actually this video can be a makeup kit or Kikay kit for beginners kasi beginner pa lang din ako sa makeup. And also, this is very affordable. Everything in this makeup bag is very affordable talaga. Wala ditong high-end or anything kasi estudyante pa lang po ako. Wala po akong high-end makeup and kahit gustuin ko man, wala pa akong pambili doon. So, this bag, niregalo lang sa akin to ng nina ko. Kasyang-kasya lahat ng makeup ko dito. And ayan, may sling siya. I'm just going to give you guys an overview kung anong mga laman. And ayan, ang dami nga, diba? So, iisa-isahin natin to. And I have everything here from simple school makeup hanggang sa glam makeup ko. Nandito na silang lahat. Except guys, dun sa eyeshadow ko and eyeshadow brush ko. Because yun, hindi ko sila laging ginagamit. Kasi minsan, pag glam naman na look, hindi ako laging nag-eyeshadow. So yan guys, without further ado, let's get on to the video. And so first thing in my makeup bag, so hahakot na lang ako ng kahit ano dito guys ha. This is not in order. First is my Caroline Go Big Mascara. And ayan, gusto ko sana bumili ng Hyper Curl Mascara ng Maybelline because I've tried it out. And hindi talaga siya nagspa-smudge kahit basain mo siya. Pag ang dali lang niya tanggalin dito sa under eyes pag medyo nag-smudge siya dito. Kasi nga guys, my only problem with this Caroline Go Big Mascara, ang ganda niya. Like, ayan, gamit ko siya ngayon. May mascara ako ngayon. But this really smudge sa under eyes mo, lalo na pag the whole day mo gamit, nagsasmudge siya. And then pag hinugasan mo, hindi matatanggal dito sa under eyes mo. So, gaganon mo pa. And ayun, sumasakit yung under eyes ko kakatanggal ng smudge niya. Yun lang yung only problem ko. Pero other than that, this is really good mascara. Gusto ko kasi sa mascara yung naghihiwalay-hiwalay niya yung mga buhok ng eyelashes ko. So, ayun, it does the job. And sobrang affordable din to. Syempre, Caroline. Ang galing nila. And ayun nga, sobrang cute ng wand nito, guys. Yung parang DNA, ganun. Ayan. And ang bango niya. Amoy jelly siya. And next thing in here is my highlighter. And ito ang lagi kong gamit na highlighter whenever I'm doing a video. And this is the Catrice Light Infusion highlighter. And ayan, gamit ko siya ngayon. Very natural lang siya. Oh shit! Nung binuksan ko, nasira siya. Ngayon lang to nangyari, guys. So ayun. Bakit ka nasira? So ayan, this is my highlighter. And nasira ko siya ngayon. So this is what it looks like. Grabe no, like ang dami pa nila ng highlighter. It will last me a lifetime ata para maubos to. Like, grabe. Hindi pa ako bumibili ng bagong highlighter dahil apakadami nito, guys. So, next is my brushes. And I have two brushes here. This is my powder brush. And this is my blush brush. So, nagdadala ako ng powder brush kasi pag gamit ko lang yung mismong parang sponge or parang, ang tawag doon sa ganon, yung parang yung ganito ng powder ko kasi compact yung powder ko, ayan. So, pag ito yung gamit ko, medyo kumakapal yung powder and hindi siya naspa-spread evenly. So, gustong-gusto ko yung powder brush para mukha siya natural and naspa-spread niya evenly sa face ko. This is from Glad King. Ay, may isa pa akong brush dito. This is actually from Watsons. I forgot the brand of this one. Pero, this is actually a eyeshadow brush and I use it for my highlight. I know, hindi to yung highlight brush. Alam ko yung highlight brush pa ganun. Pero it works for me naman. And then, I have in here my Painted Cosmetics on Flick Brow Pen in the shade Medium Brown. So, guys, this is actually the brow pen that I use whenever I need to glam or whenever I want to fill in this bald spot. Kasi this one is very pigmented pigmented nga. And it can be used for very on-fleek eyebrows talaga. And so, ito yung ginagamit ko whenever I want to have on-fleek eyebrows, tas makapal na eyebrows. Pero right now, I'm using the Careline Best Brow Liner just because it's more natural. And ayan nga, sobrang natural niya. Pwede siyang pang everyday. And then, ito kakabili ko lang nito kahapon kasi sobrang na-miss ko. And ito yung gamit ko right now. This is the Everbilena Advanced Lip and Cheek Stain. Sobrang holy grail ko nga pala to kasi ang tagal kong hindi nakabili nito. And ngayon, sinuot ko ulit siya. And it really suits me talaga. Itong Everbilena Lip Stain. Sobrang natural niya sa lips ko. Parang yan yung lip color ko. And then next, oh my gosh guys, I want to talk to you about this product. So, ito, nakita ko lang sa Candy Magazine. Ito yung pinakita nila. This Pond's White and Beauty Spotless Rosy White Day Cream. This is yung Skin Perfector na ina-advertise ni Catherine Bernardo dun sa commercial niya na sinasabi niya Skin Perfector. And nung binili ko to, actually, ang nasa isip ko is BB cream to. Kala ko parang, ayun nga, BB cream siya. So, sabi ko, pwede ko bang i-try ito? And, ayun, 77 pesos lang siya. Sobrang affordable for ganito kalaki. Actually, madami na yung laman for 77 pesos. And, ayun, yung pala, this is parang day cream na parang ilalagay mo sa ilalim ng makeup mo. So, parang primer. So, when I started using this kahapon, tapos naglagay lang ako ng konting powder, as in konting powder here and here sa T-zone ko para hindi ako mag-oily. And guys, sobrang ganda niya, as in, pinaganda niya yung face ko, pinadewy niya. Actually, pinaputi niya rin yung mukha ko. It makes my skin looking fresh and dewy, and parang mukha talaga akong fresh throughout the day, na mukha akong naka BB cream pero wala naman talaga, naka powder lang ako. So I love this day cream. I recommend it 1,000 times talaga guys, as in try niyo to. Kung gusto niyo magka-skin katulad ni Catherine Bernardo, ito na ang sagot sa tanong niyo. So, ayun nga yung sinasabi ko about my eyebrow. Whenever I want natural brows or pang everyday lang, I use this Careline Best Brow Liner in the shade Taupe. Ayan, ito yung gamit ko ngayon and sobrang natural niya. So, next is my beauty blender and ayan, sobrang dumi, nakakahiya. Nakakahiya ako, what the heck? So, ayan. So, hindi ko hinugasan. So, ayan yung beauty blender ko. This is actually from Miniso. And, ayan, beauty blender. And then next, I have here my eyelash curler. And, I don't know kung saan to nabili kasi napulot ko lang to sa bahay. And then, this is my powder. This is the Maybelline Clear Smooth All-in-One Oil Control Lightweight Flawless Coverage 2-way cake, and may SPF 32 siya. This is in the shade Nude Beige. Pero para hindi siya kumapal, I use a powder brush. And I have here my John Lauren Lip and Cheek Balm in the shade Mauvelous. And ito guys, paubos na to. Pero this is one of my favorite lip tints or lip balms. So ayan, paubos na siya. And sobrang natural ng kulay nito and mukhang your lips but better lang din. Pero I prefer lip tints kasi para it's more long lasting. Pero sa mga viewers ko dyan na may dry lips and you always use a lip balm, you can use this. And pwede rin itong all around. You can use it in your eyes and in your cheeks. Kasi, ayun, all around nga siya. Lip and cheek balm siya. Sobrang cute ng packaging. So, ayan. Comment down below kung gusto niyo gumawa ko ng video ng top 5 lip tints na ginagamit ko or favorite ko kasi I would love to do that. And then next, I have here yung perfume ko. This is the Tizzle Bee inspired by Fantasy by Britney Spears. So, ayan, ang bilis ko maubos. 1 week ko pa lang to gamit pero ayan, almost kalahati na siya. Kasi lagi bago ako umalis o lumabas ng room sa school, kailangan kong mag-cologne kasi wala. Feeling ko ang baho ko na pag lumalabas ako ng room dahil sobrang init sa room namin. Wala kaming aircon guys. So ayan, lagi ako nagko-cologne. And if you want to buy this perfume, ililink ko na lang sa description box yung FB page and IG page nila kasi they're the best and I want to give you guys the best. Then my foundation, this is the Superstay 24-Hour Full Coverage Foundation, and I got this on sale. Actually guys, tingnan nyo, 500 tong foundation na to, pero I think I got this for 400 pesos lang nung Christmas. Syempre madami tayong pera nun, waldas-waldas lang tayo nun, and I love this foundation so much. So may foundation ako dito para whenever I need it, nandito lang siya. And what I love about this foundation so much, and ayun nga, Superstay siya, 24 hours siya. And you can build it up kasi pwede rin siyang for everyday. And you can pack it up para mas mukhang full coverage naman. Ayun, buildable coverage talaga siya. And itong foundation shade ko is in 120 Classic Ivory. And then, I have two lipsticks from Painted Cosmetics. These are in the shade Sultry and Toasted kasi these are my go-to lipsticks. And nakita nyo na to sa trying out new lipsticks ko. So, ayan. I-swatch ko na rin sa hindi nakakita nun. So, this is the shade Sultry. Ayan, ang ganda guys. And ang pigmented. And this is in the shade Toasted. Ayan. Baka kasi kabilang kamay yung ginamit ko. Ba't ba ako nakagano? Pwede naman pala ganito. Okay. So, ayan yung two shades. This is Toasted and this is Sultry. So, ayan, go-to lipsticks ko sila kasi sobrang natural nila and sobrang cute ng packaging. So, guys, I'll link my reseller page down below so that pwede kayo mag-shopping sa Painted kasi sobrang affordable nila and I love their product so much and ang ganda din ng packaging. So, ayun, I recommend them a lot. So, we have my contact lenses. These are my clear contact lenses kaya mukhang walang laman kasi ayoko nang magsuot ng may kulay kasi nagmumukha akong ibang tao. So, ayan, these are my clear contact lenses. And yung clear contact lenses ko, I got that from EO. So, baka may mga nagtatanong. And then, I have here my concealer brush. And guys, this is also my go-to lipstick. Ito yung mas madalas kong ginagamit na lipstick. This is the Nichido Velvet Matte Lip Pencil in the shade Champagne Nude. Ayan. And I got this on sale for 120 pesos ata. And ayan yung itsura niya. Mukha siyang sobrang gamit. Sorry. Ito siya guys. Much more darker siya kesa sa Toasted ng Painted Cosmetics. And ayun, this was my go-to lipstick pag medyo mas gusto kong maarte ako or medyo pampam ako nung day na yon. I used that. Pero guys, sobrang worth it niya kasi madami siyang laman. Actually, ilang beses ko na tong ginamit and ayan, ang dami pa rin niyang laman. I have my Painted Cosmetics Clay Blusher in the shade Coral. Pag gusto ko ng may eyeshadow ako or kaya whenever I have a different vibe and gusto ko mag-iba naman ng blush, I use this and ayan yung shade niya. Isa-swatch ko rin para sa inyo. Ito siya guys. So ayan ito and I love putting it also here sa eyeshadow area ko. Sobrang ganda ng kinakalabasan. Sobrang bagay sa eye area ko nito. So pag medyo maarte ako, I use this as my eyeshadow. And then, lastly, I have in here my Fit Me Concealer in the shade 20 Sand. And ayan, medyo paubos na siya. And this is the concealer that I use whenever I lack sleep. Pag medyo malaki yung under eyes ko and sobrang dark, I use this, pero minsan lang naman. And I also use this to conceal my brows para mas malinis siya. And wala na pong laman ang ating makeup bag. And guys, I'm also going to show you yung go-to eyeshadow palette ko whenever I'm going to an event and I need to glam. Ito yung gamit ko. This is the EB Pro Play Palette eyeshadow. It has 16 colors and sobrang compact niya. Kasyang-kasya siya dito. Ayan guys. Ganyan yung comparison. So, kasya-kasya siya sa makeup bag ko. Sobrang liit for 16 colors guys. And it has matte shades and it has shimmer shades. So, kaya sobrang love ko to. And sobrang mura. This is less than 200 pesos, guys. And my go-to eyeshadow brush is this one. Hindi ko pa nahuhugasan. Ayan. And I usually do it at home. Kaya hindi ko to masyadong dinadala. Kasi I don't touch up naman yung eyeshadow ko. Pero whenever I want to touch up, isa lang yung dinadala kong brush. And this is the brush that I use. Ayan. So, that's all. Whew! Pagod ako doon ah. So that's all in my Kikay Kit / makeup kit. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did like this, give this a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And thank you for watching my video. I love you. I love you so much. Thank you for 4,300 subscribers. And guys, comment down below yung favorite product nyo na nasa makeup kit ko, or kaya any suggestions na pwede kong i-add sa makeup kit ko. And guys, I'll see you next week. Bye-bye!
Ooh, baby, said you're so damn fine. You stay on my mind.